one thing that I have in my mind, I want to ask both of you. So this whole thing called digital divide. So most of the time, whatever we discussed so far is about people who know about technology, who can use technology, how they should enhance, with AI. So that's what we've been talking about. But there is, in this future of work aspect, right? There are whole sections of society, sections of employees who are not comfortable with technology. They probably are not even using much of a technology. And so I just want to get your thoughts on, are they being left behind, or is there something that as a society we could do to bridge the gap between people who have not used technology but should get some benefits of AI kind of thing? So, Ruben, let me start with you. What are your thoughts on this one? I mean, this is a very deep topic. We could probably spend an hour, but if you could give your high-level thoughts on the digital divide, what is that we can do to bridge the gap?
It's a thoughtful question, and I think it's an important societal question. I think it's of course something that we need to do something about. I don't have magic solutions, but I have one thought. That's the only thought I can share, is that somehow, you know what, it feels to me that to a certain degree, AI, at least LLMs as they are, probably are kind of easier as a piece of technology than the computer with the screen, with the keyboard, with a lot of different tools. Because to a certain degree, you can just talk to it. And I believe that even people who are disconnected by technology, if they have access to an LLM or a ChatGPT that they can speak to, it is to a certain degree potentially a better tool than the previous one, which is the computer with a screen and everything. So what's missing here, and I would say I can see this with people of my parents' generation, is not so much the ability, but again is I didn't know I could do this. And I think that's where we need role model, inspiration, and creative stories. With my own mother, sometimes she asks me a question. I'm like, you can ask exactly the question as you did to me to ChatGPT, and it will give you the answer, and probably much better than me. She's like, yeah, but I love talking to you. I'm like, of course, do it with me because that's a way to stay connected. But she's missing just the spark to be able to do it and the creativity. But if not, it's literally just talk to it and ask the question as you would do to another human being. So to a certain degree, I think this gap may actually decrease.
Yeah, I mean, I agree with you anymore on that one. It's just that the spark, once it's there, they themselves, and I've known my own the personal circle. Yeah, so lots of examples there.